Hello dear students, I again warm welcome into this wonderful session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. Today I will discuss the physics of class 9th. In last video we have discussed about the equation of motion by the general method. In this session we discuss the equation of motion by the graphical method. All of you know that first equation is V is equal to U plus AT, and second one is S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. In these equations, the term which is used, u, small u, is equals to initial velocity, v is equals to final velocity, t is equals to time taken, s is equal to distance, and a is acceleration. So in this case, first you consider that the body is moving from A to B. हमें कंसीडर कर लेते हैं कि बॉडी ए से बी तक जाती है. ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इंटरवल टी, बॉडी कवर स्मॉल डिस्टेंस या बॉडी कवर डिस्टेंस स्मॉल एस. जो डिस्टेंस स्मॉल एस कवर करती है वो किस टाइम ड्यूरेशन में करती है? टी ड्यूरेशन में करती है. और व्हेन बॉडी स्टार्टेड देयर मोशन, इट्स इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज u, and when body complete their motion, its final velocity is v. And here velocity, time, acceleration, distance, all these physical quantities are measured in SI units. When you are solving the numerical problems, then you convert all the units which are given in different form into the SI. So let us consider a body with uniform acceleration, motion starting from the position A. A से body start करती motion कहाँ तक जाती है? With initial velocity u, and after time t the velocity of the body is v. बेटा सबसे अच्छे तरीके से ये समझना है कि ये आपकी x axis है, ये आपकी y axis है. All of you know on the vertical axis physical quantity is given velocity, and on x axis physical quantity is given time. हमेशा हम vertical और horizontal को कह के फिर ये बताते हैं कि this is velocity time graph. इस पे क्या है? velocity time graph है. And the velocity time graph is always denoted the acceleration. यहाँ पर जो मोशन हो रहा है बॉडी का वो A से स्टार्ट होकर B पे जा रहा है. A पे इसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u है. जब बॉडी B पे पहुंचती तो उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाती है? स्मॉल v हो जाती है. तो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इंटरवल एक्सेलरेशन is equal to slope of AB line. Slope of AB line. Slope is always depend on vertical upon horizontal. Vertical line. अब AB line का जो slope है that is depend upon BD and AD. So हमेशा हम vertical ऊपर रखते हैं BD upon AD. This is the slope of line AB. This is the slope of line AB. So BD, the length of BD is equal to, यहां पर आप देखिए जो BD है इसको आप डायरेक्ट फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. BD is equals to, let us consider A B C D O, इसको आप E कंसीडर कर लीजिए. तो BD is equals to O E minus OA and AD is equals to OC, इसको आप AD ही रखिए. When you put the value OE, O is equals to V, O is equals to V and OA is equals to U and AD is equals to T. AD is equals to OC, यहाँ साइड में राइट कर दें. AD is equals to OC is equals to T and OE is equals to V and OA is equals to U. And you know this is acceleration A. By cross multiplication you get AT is equals to V minus U, V minus U. Then V is equals to U plus AT or V is equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion by the graphical method. This is called velocity time relation. This is called velocity time relation. This is equation of motion number 1. This is first equation of motion. इसको कह सकते हैं, आप क्या कह सकते हैं? This is first equation of motion. First equation of